Okay, good morning, student. Algebra model paper, which we have started, which came in Lok Satta newspaper yesterday. That we will continue, and if more time will remain, so we will start with geometry. In today's paper, there is a geometry. Question number 3. Continue. Total number of cards 52. Third thing. Total playing card 52. Number of S 52. A. Heart or not a heart? Heart. So A, heart. Total 23 heart card. Total, sorry, 13 heart card. Number of A 13. B, not a face card. So B, that is A 1. 1 is not there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. J, Q, K is not there. So 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 10. JQK remove. So after 13, out of 13, remove 3. So rest of 10. 10 in 4 group. So number of B is equal to 40. Because 3 face card are there in each group. JQK. JQK. 3 cards in 4 group. 4 3s are 12. So out of 52, remove 12. So probability of A, that is number of A, number of S, that is 13, 52, 13 forza. So number of, sorry, probability of B, number of B, number of S, 40, 52 by forza. So 10, this is probability of A, this is probability of B. Next question. Find the 4 consecutive number in AP. Let 4 numbers in AP are A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. Condition 1. Total is 12. So first number plus second number plus third number plus fourth number is 12. So 3D cancel, DD cancel, plus and minus. So 4A is equal to 12. So A is equal to 12 by 4. A is equal to 3. That is the first answer. Sum of third and fourth term is 14. Third term plus fourth term is equal to 14. Third term is A plus D. Fourth term A plus 3D is 14. So 2A plus 4D is equal to 14. All divided by 2. A plus 2D is equal to 7. Now substitute A is equal to 3. 3 plus 2D is equal to 7. 2D is equal to 7 minus 3. 2D is equal to 4. Therefore, D is equal to 2. 3 and 2 in D. So we have to find out all the numbers. A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. A is 333. D is 2. 2 3s are 6. 2, 2, 2 3s are 6. This is minus 3. This is 1. This is 5. This is 9. So there are difference of 444 and make the total 9, 10, 15. 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. Sum of last two is 14. So both the condition fulfilled. This is very good example. 2-digit number. Type, 10th place, unit place, numbers obtained. Original, interchange. Suppose this is x, this is y, so this is 10x plus y. This is y, this is x, so this is 10y plus x. Whenever 2-digit questions will come, you have to be ready with this table. Type of the number, original number, interchange number. Suppose 23, so 32, like that. 10th place means first digit. Unit place means the second place, and number obtained. So 10th place into 10 plus unit place. So 10x plus y. 10th place into 10 plus unit into 1. So 10y plus x. Now condition 1. Original number plus interchange number is equal to 1 to 1 they have given. And always when original number plus interchange number, always you will get 11x plus 11y. Check. 10x plus y plus 10y plus x is equal to 1 to 1. Different. Say.
Sir, your body is not clear.
Wait. Now,
No, sir, it's little bit blur.
original number plus interchange number, always you will get 11x plus 11y. And difference, always you will get 9x minus 9y. So now divide by 11 plus, this is correct. Now total is 11x plus 11y is equal to 1 to 1. So divide by 11, x plus y, 11 11s are 1 to 1. So this is equation number 1. Now condition is given, unit place is 7 more than 10th place. Unit place is 7 more than 10th place. So unit place is x, unit place is y, sorry, is 7 more than this. Correct. So unit place is bigger, tenth place is smaller. So you can write this minus x plus y is equal to 7. This is a second. Now write this x plus y is equal to 11. This is first. By adding, this will cut 2y is equal to 18. Y is equal to 9. So x plus y is equal to 11. So x plus 9 is equal to 11. So x is equal to 11 minus 9. So x is equal to 2. Our original number is 10x plus y. So it is 29. 29 is the original number. Interchange 29, 92. So it is 1 to 1. So your condition is correct. And this number is 7 less than this. Means the difference is 7. Next question. Graphically, we have to solve. So I'll show you the table. X plus 2y is equal to 5. So x, okay, x is equal to 5 minus 2y. Then x, y, x, y. Then it is given y is equal to minus 2x minus 2. So again x, y, x, y. Just fill the table and you can do that same on the graph. X is equal to given, so always put y 0, 1, 2, 3. Y is equal to given, so always put x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Previously, you have to substitute this value. According to that, we will get the answer. If we consider this in a sequence, next number also we will get into the sequence. Y is equal to 0, so only 5. This is 1, so 5 minus 2 is 3. So see the difference, 2 decrease, 2 decrease. So 3 to the 6, 5 minus 6 is equal to 1. Decreasing of 2 to 2. So 5 0, 3 1, 1 2, minus 1 3. Now x is equal to 0, so it is only minus 2. X is equal to 1, so minus 4. See, again to decrease. 3 to the 6, minus 6, minus 2, minus 8. Will get in sequence. Try to get, okay? Max to max it is 5, 6. Zero 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Sorry, 5 0, 1 2 3 4 5. 5 0, 3 1, 1 and 2. Minus 1 and 3. So this one. Okay, now 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2. 1 minus 4. 2 minus 6. This will be like this. Okay. So by substituting, I can get the answer. X is equal to 5 minus 2y. So minus 2x minus 2. 5 minus minus plus 4x plus 4. So 9 is equal to minus 3x. X is equal to minus 3. So this will be minus on a graph you will get the correct answer, but if you will take this points very accurately, no, you will get the answer. Correct. I have substituted this y value. On a graph paper you will get correct answer. Next, just framework I have given, that how to take the point and how to extend the line, and you will get intersection 100% correct. Sunil take 5 days more than Anil. So Anil can complete one work in X days. Therefore, Anil can complete 1 by X work in 1 day. Sunil can complete one work 5 more days. So Sunil can complete 1 by X plus 5 work in 1 day. Sunil plus Anil in 1 day can complete 1 by X plus 1 by X plus 5 work. Sunil take 5 days more than Anil. 4 days after starting the work means in 4 days. Sunil and Anil in 4 days can work 4 times. This much work is completed. Remaining work was done by Sunil in 5 days. Sunil work in 5 days. Sunil capacity is this much per day. So in 5, X plus 5. So this work plus this work, part 1 plus part 2. I'll explain again, you don't worry. Try to understand. Anil can complete one full work in X days, suppose in 10 days. So in 1 day, 1/10 work will be done. So in X day, the work is done. So in 1 day, 1 by X work. Sunil capacity is less. He can do one work, but will take 5 days more. So X plus 5 days. Suppose it is 15 days. 15 days, one work. So in 1 day, 1/15th work. So I have divided together one day capacity, total work in per day will be done this much. But they are working together for 5 days. So 5 times this compound work will be done. Total work will be done. Rest of the work only Sunil will complete in 5 days. Let me check this Sunil only. Sunil. So work completed together in 4 days. Work rest completed in 5 days this month. So a total work and individual work total is work done is 1. Now multiply 4 by x plus 4 by x plus 5 plus 5 by x plus 5 is equal to 1. So this I can combine 4 by x plus 9 by x plus 5 because common division, common denominator. Here the product of rest of, so x plus 5. Here the product of rest of, here the product of rest of. What is that? What is the LCM of this product of rest 2? What is the LCM of this product of rest 2? What is the LCM of 2? LCM of this product of rest. Now this into this means 4 times x plus 5 plus 9x is equal to x plus 5. 4x plus 20 plus 9x x square plus 5x. This 13x plus 20 x square plus 5x. So this is x square plus 5x minus 13 minus 20 is equal to 0. So x square minus 8x minus 20 is equal to 0. Whenever there is a 0, 20 means 0. So 2 tens are. X common, 2 common, common of common, correct? X plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 10 is equal to 0, or x minus 2, x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 10, x is equal to minus 2. A number of days cannot be negative. So, for a need, x is equal to 10 days. For Sunil, x plus 5, 10 plus 5 is equal to 15 days. 10 days and 15 days. These are the answer. Now next. Father and daughter age relation is given. Name: father, daughter. Present age: X year, Y year. 2 year ago. 2 year ago, less. 6 year hence. x plus 6, y plus 6. Okay. 2 years ago, the age of father was 3 times the age. Condition 1. 2 years ago, the age of father 2 years ago was 3.5 times of daughter. 6 years hence, the age of father will be 6 years hence plus 6 is twice the age of daughter. First, try to understand the table. Name, father and daughter. Present age, I have considered x year, y year. 2 years ago, I have to less 2 year from both. From here, 6 year hence, I have to add 6 year. Condition number 1, they have given before 2 years, father's age was 1.5 times of the age of daughter, and 6 year after from the present, father will be double of the daughter. Follow? So now condition number 1, condition number 2, you have to multiply 2 x minus 2, 3 y minus 2, correct. So 2x minus 4, 3y minus 6, x plus 6, 2y plus 12. Now 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 6 plus 4. Change. So 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. X is equal to 2y plus 12 minus 6. So x is equal to 2y plus 6. Substitute this x here. So 2y plus 6 minus 3y is equal to 2. So 4y plus 12 minus 3y is equal to 2. 4y minus 3y, only y. This is minus. This is minus. So 2 minus 12, y is equal to 10 years. So the present age of daughter is 10 years. Substitute. X is equal to 2 times plus 6, 20 plus 6. So 28 plus 6. So present age of father is x is equal to 34 years. Present age of daughter y year. Correct. So this tabular form is very, 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 very useful. Around a square pool, there is a footpath of the width 2 meters. This is very important question. This is fourth one, fifth one. Now this is 52. This is x, x, x. Let the side be x. And add, 2 add. So this is x plus 4, x plus 4, x plus 4, x plus 4. Let side 1 is equal to x meter, 2 meter, 2 plus 2, no? Therefore, side 2 is equal to x plus 2 plus 2 is equal to x plus 4 meter. Now, if the area of the footpath is 5/4 times of the pool, area of footpath is equal to 5/4 times the area of footpath is equal to here, therefore area 1 is equal to side 1 square, here area 2 is equal to side 2 square. Area of footpath we want, that is area 2 minus area 1 is equal to 5/4 times area 1. Area of only footpath means big square minus small square is equal to the area of footpath. That is exactly equal to the 5/4 time of pool. Area of pool means area of 1. So 4 area of 2 minus 4 area of 1 is equal to 5 area of 1. This comes this side. So 4 area of 2 is equal to 9 area of 1. So this is 4 side 2 square is equal to 9 side 1 square. Correct. So it is 4 x plus 4 square is equal to 9 times x square. This all are the measurements. So we will take only positive. No need to take the negative. So square root all of all the things. So 2x plus 4 is equal to 3x. So 2x plus 6 is equal to 3x. This comes this side. So 6 is equal to 3x minus 2x. So x is equal to 6. So final question. Find the area of the pool. Therefore, side 1 is equal to x is equal to 6 meter. So the area of pool is equal to side 1 square is equal to 6 square. Area of, again try to understand. Side of pool, internal, this much part is a pool. Side of pool, they have asked. So let the side of pool be x. Now 2 meter width means 2 meter this side, 2 meter this side. So new side of bigger square, including footpath, including pool, will be x plus 4. Now suppose I want area of this much only. I want this much area. So from bigger square, when you will cut this square, you will get this. Ring. So bigger square minus smaller square. So that is a ring. That square ring, it is a footpath. So area of this is equal to 5/4 time the area of this. Correct. So side 1 is x. So area 1 is equal to side 1 square is equal to x square. side 2 is equal to plus 2 plus 2. So this x plus 4. So area 2 is equal to side 2 square is equal to x plus 4 square. Now given condition, ring, that ring means bigger square minus smaller